All right, let's look at economics quiz number 2. Hopefully you're watching this right before your SOL. Help you out with the economics here. Pretty good, solid start with number 1. Number 2 was definitely a tough one. New accounts, you're earning interest. Whenever you're earning interest, the goal is to save money, especially if you're investing in a financial institution. Okay, so it's B. All right, so number 3, pretty well, but checks or debit cards is another way you can pay for things. It's like taking cash right out of your account. Okay, good job at number 4. Number 5, hiring additional workers does not make sense for lowering the cost of production. It's going to cost more money. Using more resources is going to cost more money. And offering discount prices, that's going to lower the price, not the cost of production. Okay. All right. Number 6, you did pretty well. Number 7, pretty solid. Global economy, you see it's an agreement between different parts of the world, the United States, Canada, Mexico. So NAFTA is a part of the global economy. Good job with number 8. Number 9 was a little bit of a tough one. You saw there were commissions, and maybe some of you thought that that was a distractor there. Antitrust agencies, maybe you were thinking that their job of these was to break up monopolies, but really their regulation here, they're all a little bit different, but they all regulate business. Set minimum standards. All right, good job with number 10. Number 11 was pretty good as well. Number 12 was solid, and 13. 14 was a little bit of a tough one here. You're going to have to pay for an annual pass to the parks to pay for those public goods and services that are provided. There are 60 national parks, and you have to pay a yearly fee. All right, 15 was a tough one. Very, very tough. If you want to increase the amount of money for business so that they have more money to spend to invest, then if the government lowers taxes, that's less money that they're paying the government, so it's more money that they have to invest. So it's letter B, lower taxes. Good job with 16. 17, this is kind of one of those, again, with the scale, right? Government has more money to borrow. That means people and businesses have less money to borrow, all right? Okay. Number 18 was a little bit of a tougher one, but remember, if you lower taxes, you have more money in your hand to spend to invest in products and goods and services in your business to save money for future purchases. 19, a lot of you mixed up sales and income tax there. It taxes your income, how much money you make per year or per week or per month, not how much you pay at stores. Sales tax is primarily for state and local governments, whereas the income tax is primarily for the federal and some state governments. All right, good job with 20 and 21. 22, individuals have the right to private ownership. If anytime you own something, you sign a contract, and you have that contract just in case something goes wrong. Like you buy a car, you have a contract. You buy a house, you have a contract called a mortgage, and these are protected by the law. All right, 23 did pretty well, and 24, I can't believe anyone got this wrong, but you have self-assessment is the number 1 step in career planning. Okay, should have been 100%. This one was a little bit tougher than I thought it would be, 25. Remember, you want to be on time, you want to be responsible, you want to take initiative, you want to keep up with technological change. That's the attitudes and behaviors of a strong work ethic that employers seek in their employees. Okay, you can always go back, watch this again, pause the video at any time to see questions that you missed, even if they were ones that weren't considered tough ones. All right, good luck. I'll talk to you later. See ya.